Now, if you would have ever said to me 10 years ago, no more fried chicken, I don't know, I probably would have hurt you. You understand? I would have hurt you. But being able to swap those things out within 3 days, Mark, my taste buds absolutely changed. And I couldn't tolerate it or eat it anymore, even if I tried to, because my body won't let me, because I've changed. Not only did I change the way that I eat, I changed the way that I thought. I started loving myself even more. I even changed what I put on my body, from the oils, from the way that I clean and wash my face. My clothes is cotton clothing. I don't wear any leather purses anymore. I don't do any of that. My entire well-being is structured around self-love, so that I can offer more to my community and do more for my community and do more for the children in the community and the families in the community. And that's another reason why Gigi's Vegan Cafe was created, so that we can be a catalyst in the community where people can come and get 100% organic juices. They could come and get a little bit of education, say, hey, I want to start going vegan, but I don't know how. Or this is, and I have handouts that I give them with recipes and so on and so forth. And not only that, our food is delicious. Mark, you just said, I'm going to answer your question. When people say, I don't want to do this, I know what it tastes like. It is blandness. It doesn't taste good. It's all about, I always say, even the food I was eating prior to, it's always the flavor, right? Yeah. It's always the herbs and spices that you put into food that make it delicious. It's still the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just swap an ingredient.
I mean, you've gone from this path of saving your life to it's your way of life, right? I mean, that's literally what's happened in that.